Today I'm going to be showing you some Botbots that I just picked up, and these are the Series 3. I didn't even know Series 3 was coming out. Was in Target this evening and saw these guys and thought they were pretty cool. Series 1, the bubbles were red. Series 2, they're green. Series 3, they're orange. And it was pretty cool because I had no idea it was coming out, so I just looked up the codes and oh, look at that, they actually have a piece of tape on there now. There's a small piece of tape right here. That's really going to stop people from popping them open. So yeah, I looked up the codes for Series 3, and I found 4 that I was interested in. So, I'm going to open these up on camera. Now, this one is number 24. This is just one I knew what it is, but I wanted to check it out anyway. Hadn't picked it up yet. Push. He's a little odd. So it was a video game console or something like that. So his name is D-Pad Chad. Doesn't sound like a very nice guy, does he? Alright, so take it like this. Oh, flip down like this. Turn around. Oh. Flip the antenna up. That was it. Pull the arms out. Swing them down. Turn it around. And then get the legs. There is D-Pad Chad. He actually has head articulation. Look at that. He's part of the Playroom Posse. Oh, Ducky from Megatron. Might have to look that one up. So that's are in no particular order. These are both a certain theme, and with that time of year coming up, I decided to get them. Hopefully I got the right ones. Pretty sure I did. Yep. It's a Christmas tree. Mr. Christmas tree is Wizen Green. That's an odd name. Got a Christmas tree. We got a pumpkin. Got a snowman. TV set with a Yule log. That might be an egg. I'm not sure. Alright, so those two, swing those out. Bring the arms out. Bring that down. And flip out the little feetses. And there you go. Wizen green. Next up, and I got the snowman. Sorry. There we go. Let's see. His name is Meltdown. Alright, so supposed to kick out his feet. Pull out his one arm, rotate the head down, slide that up. He's a bit of an oddball, but he's a happy little oddball, isn't he? Again, that's Meltdown. And the last one. In this household, this has some special meaning for me. So I'll be showing the family this one tomorrow, since this is kind of late at night. And push. He's a pineapple. Oh, I love pineapple. And he is Sensei Spiny. They even show him having like a leafy samurai samurai sword, which I doubt he'll have. Well, let's take a look. It's part of the fresh squeezes. Grape. I don't know what the rest of those are. Oh, oh, oh. So you take them like this. You pull the arms out. Pull down on the legs. Open up. He's a face. He's a very serious face. And last step. Pull out his sword. This one actually has an accessory. Oh my god, that's incredible. Put it in his hand. Yo, samurai chop. Chop chop. I love this one. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, these freaking Botbots are just, oh, they're great. This guy doesn't want to stand. I pulled it off. There we go. Well, you see them. Here they all are. Two of them stand up just fine, even though I keep knocking them over. There they are. And that does it for my quick little Botbots unboxing. Now I did show this guy off on my Facebook page, but I actually wanted to give him a quick shout out here too. Here is Siege Red Alert with 6-gun attached. 6-gun legs attached to his legs as boosters. The rocket launcher from Sideswipe. And the whole VTOL part on his back as a booster set. So this is all really cool, enjoyable figure. Must get him. All right, that's this is Genuine Red Alert signing off. Hope to see you around sometime. Bye.